How to delete a page in Microsoft Word. Here are two simple methods you can use. Method 1. Use backspace. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Go to the page you want to delete. Place your cursor at the beginning of the page. Now, press the backspace key multiple times until the unwanted page is removed. Method 2. Use Ctrl+G. If the page is difficult to delete, place your cursor anywhere on the page you want to remove. Tap on View and tap on Navigation pane. Then click Pages. Press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. In the Enter Page Number box, type /page. Then press Enter. Close the dialog box. The entire page will now be selected. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can use the same method to delete any other page, whether it's blank or contains text and images. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an unwanted page in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.